Yeah, it wasn't going to be a video day, but let's do it. All right, guys, let's get it on. Ben, don't take this the wrong way, but you've got a nice looking ass.
I appreciate that.
Hey guys, welcome back. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but I found myself with a free hour. Beautiful day out. I'm obeying social distancing by just staying inside my car. But me and a few buddies met up at one of the towns on the Mississippi, and we're taking a really nice afternoon drive for half an hour or so south as far as we can get before we got to start turning around. I got my radar detector on. So far it's picked up a mystery K-band signal. I didn't know where it was coming from, and it's picked up a couple of those automated speed signs where it shows you, you know, you're doing 32 and a 30 or, you know, whatever. That was actually pretty cool. And as soon as I passed it, it went, oh, hang on. Clay and Ben are leaving me behind. So this afternoon, my friend Clay is driving a black Cayman GTS. Anybody who saw the video of me trying to get into a Cayman and it looked like a clown car, that was the car. So that's Clay's pride and joy, and that's my clown car. And then in the white 991 is Ben, not Ben with the white 991 that I did a snow winter video with. This is other Ben. This is original Ben in the group with his first generation 991S, which is beautifully spec'd. It has the aero kit, so it's got the sport front bumper, it's got the fixed wing on the rear. It's white and he's got clear tail lights, which looks really great with his setup. And then his interior is spectacular. He's got carbon fiber trim, he's got the black leather dash, he's got the red leather lower interior and the red leather seats. It's a really, really nice spec. He spent quite a long time, I think, researching that one and picking that one out. Unlike me, who just, you know, impulse bought one from California. He's got the sports exhaust. He's got an aftermarket exhaust on the back, I think. But it's a really beautiful car. In fact, two beautiful cars. So we're gonna go out for a drive. We're gonna see what the afternoon holds for us for the next half an hour or so. These guys are pretty serious about their driving, so I'm going to concentrate right now. But I'm going to come back and talk about my radar detector in a few minutes. can you?
You can totally take it.
I don't know, he's already beaten me once. I don't think my ego can stand it. That was arousing.
James, I hope you're getting some of this dialogue for your video.
Hey, it's all live, brother. It's all live, including you beating me at the lights. So Clay, I want you to hear this right now. So guys, my friend Clay in his GTS, he just split me up at the lights. I don't know whether it's because I'm running winter tires and he's not, but no. That's like the second time we've raced and he's beat me. God damn you, Clay. Wow, these roads are awesome. It's like the tail of the dragon has come to the Twin Cities. Clay, how many horses is yours putting out?
963.
You're a dick. You've got 340 horses.
And a heavy right foot.
And a heavy right foot, but a very light, narrow ass.
James, there's a lot of factors conspiring against you.
Absolutely. So Clay's putting out 340 horses. Mine's putting out 350. With my tune, it should be putting out...
That's a good part in here.
With my tune, it should be putting out about 360. I don't know. Just drive. All right, here we go. Wow! Ow! Oh man, I can't get enough of this car. But I can get enough of this massive truck that is in our way. You know, such is life. What a great day for driving though. So it's bugging me slightly that a car with less horses is beating me from a standing start. But like Ben said, there's multiple factors competing against me. So the weight of the car, the fact that I'm heavier than Clay, and maybe Clay's just a much better driver than I am. We've both got a PDK transmission. Whatever, it's fun. You can tell though that it's bothering me slightly. Anyway, fun and games, let's keep driving. So far the radar detector's been pretty useful. I've got to say it's been pretty uneventful though. I've had a couple of hits from stationary speed signs that tell you the speed you're going when you're going through a residential area. I've had 1 or 2 hits on the highway in the K-band, which I presume is a traffic cop, but it could be anywhere sort of, you know, 2 to 5 to 6 to 7 miles away. Good to go, Ben. Keep coming. That was fun. We've now exchanged a flatbed truck for an SUV. I guess this is just the way it is. But yeah, the radar detector so far has been pretty useful, and it's not bothering me as much as I thought it was going to bother me. Just sort of sat there. You know, it's not a Porsche component. It kind of is what it is. But it's sitting there and it's looking pretty clean. And wait a minute, what's going on, Clay? He's slowing down. So much fun. So that's it for another video, guys. Just a quick driving video today. I know I've been doing a lot of videos in the garage recently and mods and so on. Right now, as the weather's getting a little better and you know, actually being in the car by yourself is pretty much just as safe as staying at home in these crazy days of self-quarantining. You know, it's pretty good. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Bye.